Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today we're going to be doing a tour of my toolbox. Okay, I guess we'll start with the top. It's just a little bit of everything. You know, pens, markers, knives. Got my picks back here. Just cheap little Harbor Freight picks. These are all the bits from my quick release impact driver. Some little brake tools. These things were nifty when I found them, but they really suck for using on the rear caliper to twist the, you use them for twisting that piston in. In my next drawer, I got all my ratcheting wrenches going from 8 to 21. Most of these are Cobalt and Husky. And of course, you got an extra 10mm, because you already know why. And over here, I got my stubby ratcheting wrenches, metric and standard. A couple flex head ratcheting wrenches as well, also from Harbor Freight. In this drawer, it's got all my ratchets. This O2 wrench, O2 sensor wrench, my big giant 1/2-inch ratcheting breaker bar from Cobalt. Next drawer over here we got pliers and chrome sockets, 3/8. Going from 6mm all the way to 20. I need to get more deeps. Don't know what happened to all of them. And a 1/4-inch tray going from 5 all the way to 14, and deep from 5 to 14 as well. And this for removing oil filters. In the next drawer, got all my power tools, 3/8 M18 Milwaukee. And then I got my M12 stubby quick release impact. Next drawer, I got all my impact sockets, 1/2-inch deep, short, 3/4-inch, some extensions, some extra sockets, and lastly, in the bottom drawer, it's just random stuff: gloves, chargers, extension cord, tire plug kit, funnel, hammers. That's my toolbox.